Good morning or good evening, guys. How it's your day going? In today's video, I will show you the correct way how to fix and solve this problem on your Google Drive on your phone. Just watch this video till the end. So let's start. So now and first you have to go and open the settings of your phone, and after this you have to go directly to apps option. Here we found, as you see, all the applications that you have on your phone. So you will go directly to Google Drive or Drive, as you see here. You will click on it like this, and then you will go directly to storage option. Click on clear cache, also clear data, and go back and click on force stop. And now you have to update your drive if it's not updated, and you have to restart your phone, the last things. And that's it. I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget